Jonathan Lee Riches investigates Alec Baldwin fell asleep during his trial. He was caught sleeping. I'm going to share with all of you a clip of Alec Baldwin. While the prosecution was had a state witness on the stand, right, a crime scene expert, he nodded off. Check it out.
Where those rounds were located. So we've got one that you suspected came out of this box. Is that right?
Yes. And
just so that we're clear, the box on the right in the photograph, what was inside that box?
There were blank rounds inside that box.
And were they all legitimately blank rounds?
Yes.
And give me just one moment to pull up some additional exhibits here.
He's sleeping. He was sleeping.
So today in court, it was a long day. It was over 8 hours. And towards the end of today's court hearing, this is the first day on his trial. He's being charged with manslaughter, Santa Fe, New Mexico. Prosecution brought on 4 witnesses today. Law enforcement and 3 law enforcement and a crime scene expert. And towards the end of the day, I could see him numerous times nodding off to sleep, like, and then wake up. We are covering this case extensively, unless, he just closes his eyes for a moment. Is that appropriate to do in court? Have you ever seen a celebrity fall asleep in court ever before? This trial's not supposed to last very long. Might wrap up by the end of next week. Closing arguments are scheduled for next Friday. What do you think about Alec Baldwin? Do you think he's guilty or not guilty? Do you think he's sleeping properly? Is that the reason why he's nodding off in court? Do you think he has sleepless nights knowing that he could get convicted and go to prison for up to 18 months? And let's be real, folks. If he gets convicted, he's most likely going to get the maximum sentence, considering Hannah got 18 months. The armorer for the Rust set. So I am covering this case extensively, Alec Baldwin. And also, folks, I want to let you know, on JLR Investigates, I will be in New Mexico next week covering this case. And we'll see if Alec Baldwin continues to fall asleep. Maybe he should get some coffee. He had a Starbucks, believe it or not, on his defense table. I saw a Starbucks cup, so he's drinking coffee. Maybe he needs to get some caffeine in him, because it's not a good look, I don't think, by falling asleep, because the jury probably saw him do that and might think he's not taking this seriously. Subscribe to the channel, hit the notification button. JLR Investigates. Let me know what you think, Alec Baldwin trial. We will talk soon. Stay tuned.